Hey everyone, these 3 bags are our main camera bags for this entire documentary. So it looks like nothing, but it actually weighs quite a bit when we throw it on our back and we're running around train stations. We travel quite light for this production just because we are very mobile. We gotta be very mobile. So we don't have cases and cases of equipment like some productions do. Greg's camera bag over here, Phantom 2 drone bag, and then my main camera bag. So I'm just gonna cut to something else here and show all the different equipment. Canon 24-105 f4, 2 Canon 70-200 f2.8, version 1 and 2. Canon 16-35 f2.8, Canon 24-70 f2.8, version 2. Tokina 11-16 f2.8. This lens is used on the Panasonic GH4. Canon Nifty 50 50mm 1.8. This is the Metabone speed booster for the Panasonic GH4. It makes the lenses a little bit wider and it makes them a little bit faster. I think by full stop faster on the lens. So this 1.8 50mm lens effectively becomes a 1.2, I believe. So it's great for the GH4. It gives all our lenses a little bit more speed on them and a little bit wider as well. But you can see I've got written 71mm. That's in 4K mode on the GH4 after all the crops and math involved in using the speed booster. This is the Panasonic GH4. This is actually our A camera. This little beast packs a serious punch. It films internal 4K. So that's true 4K at 4096 by something, and then also does Ultra HD and Full HD. It does 96 frames per second in Full HD, down to 60 frames per second in Full HD. This thing is awesome. We actually just record the audio directly into this with those mics I showed earlier, just to speed up post. It actually records quite clean audio in. Most of these interviews we're having to set up really quickly, so I decided to just record directly in for the guys in Canada to speed up the process a little bit. But this is a great camera. That Metabone's speed booster attaches onto here, and then we can use our Canon lenses on there. So we can essentially attach any Canon lens on the GH4, which is great. Right now it does have a Panasonic lens on it. It's the 24-70 f2.8 Panasonic lens, which is actually awesome. So that's our A camera. Our B camera, the Canon 5D Mark III. Our C camera, the Canon 5D Mark II. Canon and Panasonic GH4 batteries. Spare memory cards. DJI Phantom 2 drone. This is what we use for our aerials. It's just got a little gimbal on the bottom here with a little ND filter to stop down some of the light. And we just fixed the fisheye effect in post, so it looks like great footage. So that's what we use. This is the monitor I use for the FPV kit for the DJI Phantom 2. It's 5.8 gigahertz downlink feed onto the monitor, so I can see what I'm shooting. 15-inch MacBook Pro. This is only 2, but we've got about 5 backup hard drives. This is where we keep all our content on. Velbon fluid head tripod. This is the lighter tripod that I use to strap onto a backpack if we're moving around lots. So I don't really want to be hiking around a big heavy tripod, so I use this one. This is our main Manfrotto tripod. It's got a nice fluid head on it. Field recorder Zoom H4n, small LED light. Feiyu Tech G3 GoPro handheld stabilizer. Sennheiser wireless lav setup. We use these for our interviews. Rode Smart Lav.